Galaxy Tube Roller mixer, model GRM-6. It features a clear digital display and 6 high-quality rollers for easy placement of various tubes. The mixer is widely used for applications such as mixing blood samples, reagents, viscous liquids, and other laboratory solutions. The GRM-6 package includes the main unit, a power adapter, and a user manual. The mixer is lightweight and comes with a side handle, making it convenient to place and move inside the laboratory. To set up the mixer, connect the power adapter to the unit and plug it into a power socket. Then switch on the power to start the machine. The 6-roller platform accommodates various tube sizes, providing stable, continuous rolling for thorough and uniform sample mixing. Operating the GRM-6 is simple and intuitive. Press the menu key. The speed indicator begins blinking. Adjust the speed using the plus key to increase and the minus key to decrease. For rapid adjustment, press and hold either key. Press menu again to enter the timer setting. The timer display blinks. Set the required mixing time using the plus and minus keys. After 5 seconds of inactivity, both speed and timer settings are saved automatically. To begin mixing, press the start key. The rollers deliver a gentle, continuous motion, ideal for mixing biological samples, reagents, and suspensions. For continuous or infinite operation, set the timer to 0, 0. In this setting, the mixer will run continuously without stopping. The GRM-6 supports a wide range of sample containers, from microtubes to 50 milliliters and 50 milliliters centrifuge tubes, and even up to 1 liter bottles, ensuring maximum versatility across laboratory applications. To end the process, press the stop key. The mixer halts smoothly, ensuring the protection of both samples and tubes. Thank you for watching, and to explore our full range of products, visit our YouTube channel or contact us